The wave-like behavior of particles such as an electron is a confirmed, experimentally verified concept. Today we know that a particle, when it accelerated, it travels as a wave. These waves can interfere and can create interference pattern. So it is proven that particles such as an electron can behave like a wave when it is accelerated. This idea helped to the development of modern atomic theory, quantum mechanics, etc. So, in this video, I would like to explain a possible explanation for why or how a moving particle behave like a wave. In the previous video, we saw that every mass defect in the universe are transformed into a explosively transformed into a super thin form of matter. Mass defect is a universally occurring phenomenon. Every activation in the universe, supernova explosions, black hole mergers, neutron star collisions, all these events creates mass defect on a large scale. So, if the if mass defect is transformed into a super thin form of matter, it means that space is filled with this type of matter. So, when a particle moves through space, it will constantly collide with these particles of space filling matter. That causes a particle cannot travel in a straight line. So, when a particle moves through space, since it's constantly collide with the space filling particles, it will creates a it will go in a disturbed path. So, at a constant speed, a particle such as an electron will travel in a specific way. So we can, if you develop the path of the an electron, you'll get a wavy path. So if you develop a setup to make the electrons interfere, the electrons can interfere each other and it can create interference pattern. So, according to my research, the wave-like behavior of particle tells nothing about any special property of particles, but this phenomenon arises because of the collision of space-filling matter with the particles in motion. Thank you for watching. I am Joseph George.